name's Emily.
Hi, my name is Jacqueline.
Hi, my name's Clint.
Hi, my name's Ethan.
And
This is how to make mango rainbow bites.
Slice the mango, strawberries, and kiwi.
In a small bowl, mix the lime juice and the yogurt.
Next, you gotta spread the lime yogurt over the tortilla.
Now we're gonna add the fruit slices and the blueberries over the tortilla.
Roll the tortilla and slice into 1-inch slices.